Hi, I'm Kent. I'd like to introduce you to our NWC power pack unit, which you see here. It can be used to create high pressure water mist in a number of different applications, mainly within the sawmill industry. Applications could be like saw blade lubrication, could be dust suppression, it can be lumber drying in drying kilns, and used for heat treatment. When you look on the power pack here, you can see how compact it is. It means that it's easy to both install in new applications as well as installing in as a retrofit or upgrade of already existing installations where the space might be limited. Also, the unit here is built on already well-known and proven technologies from Danfoss. If we have a look on the unit itself, there's a tank that acts as a buffer and acts as cooling for any recirculated flow. We have the pump sitting inside the tank. It's our high pressure pump, and it's actually sitting ideally protected down in the tank, always submerged in water. This gives a very long lifetime and very long service intervals. We've seen cases where this unit here is running more than 20,000 hours in between service inspections. So the 20,000 hours in between service inspections requires you have a good water quality and that you have proper filtration. Besides this, I can also mention our power pack valve, which is sitting here. It ensures that this unit here has a very wide flow range. Also, it can recirculate flow back to the tank in case it's not needed by the application. This gives a cost-effective solution compared to the use of a VFD. I hope you found this interesting, and if you would like to know more, please click the link. Thank you.